I told myself a lie the last time I got a hand plane. I figured I had a good enough spread and didn't need or want another one. But have you considered it's going to be my birthday in about 4 months? Whenever I saw this tool come up online, I had to get it. It's a Stanley Bailey 4.5, and it's got a sweetheart plane iron. I could wax poetic for hours about the niceties, features, and differences of the 4.5, but suffice to say, and if I'm reading these tea leaves correctly, this little tool popped out of the magic tool-making portal as early as 1888 and as late as 1899, which means whenever I got a hold of it, it was at least 123 years old. And for that age, it really is in remarkable condition. There's a few things that I've touched on this already, but the best I could call anything that I'm about to do is a touch-up and not a restoration. I might have to mess with it just a little bit to get everything dialed in. The shavings are a little odd, but the overall finish is very nice, really smooth. I'm excited to put this thing to work.